Welcome to the hangar. In tonight's video, I take on the job of bleeding the brakes by myself. There's a good chance that many of you seeing this video have already witnessed aircraft brake bleeding, but I thought I'd share anyway. I'm narrating because the audio was awful. Echo chamber hanger, forgetting to turn on the microphone. One of the reasons I'm not a fan of long form videos. These can take a lot of time. Anyway, I'm using a pump I purchased from Aircraft Spruce to push the fluid from the caliper up to the master cylinder. I have a camera up in the cockpit that I'm monitoring on my phone. Once I see the fluid top off the master cylinder, done. There are two master cylinders, a left and a right. This airplane does not have co-pilot brakes, but the number of master cylinders would still be 2 if it did. I learned this method from a clutch master cylinder replacement I did in a 1987 GMC Sonoma. After replacing it and filling it with fluid, no matter how many times I tried, I could not get it to flush out. Then I learned the best method is from the bottom up. And voila, I had a functioning clutch. I did this once already with this airplane for my annual inspection this last summer because I didn't know how old the brake fluid was, so I thought I'd drain it all out and fill it. I hoped tonight wouldn't be as big a mess as it was that day. And until I did the right side brakes, it wasn't. This method is also best when you are all you have. As you can see, the fluid has flooded the top of the master cylinder, one side down, the other side to go. It didn't go as smoothly as this side did. I'll append a picture at the end of the video showing me cleaning up a mess of brake fluid because I didn't properly tighten the flexible line to the parking brake. It's always something. Thanks for watching.